Hello everyone, and welcome to our video series on Excel today. In this video we are going to look at structured formulas. So when you create an Excel table, Excel assigns a name to the table including your column headers so that you can easily reference them in your formulas. So to do this we have a very simple data here. So the first thing that we are going to do is to convert this into an Excel table. So I'll just select any cell within my table, go to insert and pick table here. So I'll keep this option check and click OK. So now I have my data in Excel table. So the next thing I will do is to change the name of the table. So I'll just select any cell within my table, go to table to design, and you can see the name, the table name here. So I'm going to change this to staff and press enter. So now Excel knows my table to be staff, so I can easily reference them when I'm creating my formulas. So here what I want to do is to calculate the total salary. So I can do just equals sum and then just bring the name of the table, staff. So you can see that my table has been highlighted here. So I'll just double click on this and press enter, and I'll get my total salary here. Now let's look at another example. So here we want to count the number of staff who are on contract, part-time and full-time. So I'll just use the count if. So I'll enter equals count if. So my range will be staff. So I'll just double click to select it. And here I'm going to use a square bracket to reference the columns. Okay, so I'll just do open square brackets. So here I get access to all my column headers. So my range will be the type. So I'll close it, then comma, and then my criteria will be the type here. So I have typed everything here. So the first one will be on the contract. So I'll click this and then close the brackets and press enter. So I get the number of staff who are on contract. I can copy this formula down so I can see for all the employment type that we have here. So now here we want to calculate the total salary for each of our regions here. So I'm going to use sum if. So I'll just do equals sum if. So my range will be the region here. So I'll just do staff and then a square bracket, and then I'm looking at the region and then close it, comma, and my criteria will be the regions here. So I'm going to select this, comma, and my sum range will be what? The salaries. So I'm going to do staff and then open square brackets, and I'm picking the salary and then close it and then close the whole bracket and press enter. So now I get the total salary for the main region. Then I can copy this formula down so I can get for all of them. So this is about how to use structured formulas in Excel.